Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, I don't make bad money, so where does it all go by the end of the month? That question kept running through Carlos's mind every single month. Carlos worked at a busy restaurant in Florida. He earned an hourly wage and he made tips too. During a good week, his income was actually pretty decent. But there was one problem. Every time he checked his checking account at the end of the month, it felt like someone had secretly been taking money from him. His rent was paid, his car payment was made, his phone bill was covered. So what was the problem? Does this sound familiar? Have you ever thought, I work hard every day, so why can't I seem to save any money? Carlos was searching for that answer too. One day he opened his bank statement and started reviewing every transaction from the previous month. And that's when he noticed something he had never paid attention to before. A coffee during every work break, fast food after a shift, food delivery whenever he felt tired, a few subscription charges on his phone, and another small purchase on Amazon. Each expense was only a few dollars, so none of them felt like a big deal. But by the end of the month, those tiny purchases had added up to hundreds of dollars. Now look at your own life. How many times last week did you buy something without even thinking about it for a second? How many subscriptions are still quietly charging your debit card or credit card every month? If you ignore these small expenses, your money won't disappear because of one big purchase. It will disappear because of dozens of small decisions. So Carlos made 3 simple changes. First, he tracked every expense for 30 days. Second, he canceled subscriptions he wasn't using. Third, he set a weekly limit for discretionary spending. That's it. No complicated budget, no painful financial rules, just paying attention to where his money was going. 2 months later, Carlos wasn't making more money. He hadn't found a new job, but for the first time, there was money left in his account at the end of the month. And that's the truth. Most people don't lose money because of major expenses. They lose money because of the expenses they never notice. So starting today, pay attention to where every dollar is going, because earning money is important, but keeping it is even more important.